A new Pacifica rugby team flexing its muscles. Moana Pacifica, Super Rugby's newest addition. With players of Samoan, Tongan and Fijian heritage involved, a traditional awa ceremony kicked the week off with legends of Pacific and All Black rugby at the helm.
I'm very proud. I mean, we had a lovely awa ceremony to just bind it together and put a cultural frame around that so they really grounded in who they are. And it was we put the tānoa of the three islands together in that one tānoa, and it was very powerful.
For this match, former All Blacks Fa'alongo Tana Umanga is coach and is assisted by other illustrious former teammates.
A lot of these players are New Zealand based, have either played for Tonga, Fiji or Samoa, and a number of them haven't, but a number of them have played for the All Blacks, and it gives them that opportunity to experience identity and culture.
The team's a mix of exciting new talent along with some old heads, one who thought his rugby days were over.
When Tana gave me the call last Sunday, I wasn't really prepared for it, and I actually gave away my rugby boots to one of my mates who asked for it. Yeah, just so happy to be part of this group. It's such great talent, young and old.
Very blessed to get this opportunity to be part of the first Moana Pacifica team. I was stoked to come here and represent my country, not only that, the Pacific nations. So, it's just about giving back to the Pacific people who's given us so much growing up as kids.
I'm so happy, Brown women, especially representing my culture, Tongan, back at home. They'll be watching the TV, so yeah, Brown women, and so special for me.
The match is a test of sorts for Moana Pacifica, which was selected as one of two Pacific teams for the 2022 Super Rugby season. The other team to be based out of Fiji. For New Zealand Rugby, it's an admission that Pacific Rugby needs to be involved at super level.
As a partner, there's a lot of contributing components to that, and that's something that the board have decided on. The key thing is that Pacifica needs to be there, whatever that looks like, and I think that's the most important thing.
So, with an historic match between the storied Māori All Blacks and Moana Pacifica to look forward to, there's a lot to prove.
When I run out there, I am a Tongan, but I guess this is great because I get to represent the Pacifica, so we all represent all our small little islands.
I think they're trying to pull them back on the collar because they're so excited, and I heard the same about the Māori All Blacks, and there is a mystique around that team, so we just want to celebrate that. We really want the guys to bring that. They understand that, and they're representing not just their own countries, but this region we call the Pacific. But most importantly, they're fighting for the hopes and aspirations of the next generation, and that's the most important message.